student, as we also have learned that Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, the first term is called unit, second term is called thousand, third term is called lakh and crore. Whereas in international place value chart, first term is called unit, second term is called thousand, and the third term is called millions and then billions. Also note that in international place value chart, each section has three parts. You can see easily unit has also three parts called ones, tens, hundred. Similarly, thousand has three parts called units, tens, hundred. Similarly, millions have three parts called unit, tens and hundred. Also, billions also have three parts, unit, tens and hundred. So, with the help of this chart value, we can easily write the numeral in number form as well as in proper word form. Okay. So, if these numbers are present in international place value chart, then how we can read? First of all, mark the period value according to its place. For example, if we are going to use international place value number, then we make periods with the distance of three digits. Okay. In this way, we can easily read in proper format. So this number can be read as these three terms belong to units, these three terms belong to thousand, and these two terms belong to billions, and second digits belong to thousand. So we can read as 36,057,529. I hope you can got it. Okay student, before we move to next topic, first we have to know how to read different number in international place value chart and in according to international place value chart. Here two examples are given, so we are going to know how we can pronounce it correctly in both ways. So listen carefully. First we have to provide periods so we can identify digits in proper format. As I already told you that in international place value chart, it's mean international, national, and this is suppose our Indian place value chart. Okay. In international, we group the digits in 3-3 format. 3-digit formats. Okay, so we make a period symbols in between the digits, so we can easily identify which digits come in which place. Similarly, in Indian number system, we make symbol of periods with necessary place value. Now, in international number system, we have to read this number as follows: 867,321. Similarly, 726,345. In Indian place value system, we read as 8,67,321, whereas 7,63,245. As we know, in international, 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh in Indian number system. So you have to learn very carefully the difference between Indian and international number system. Okay, I hope you got it. Similarly, if you want to read the second example, we read as 726,345, whereas in Indian we can read as 7,63,245. Okay friends, now we are moving to next topic whose name is face value and place value. In face value, the digit itself we represent as its face value, whereas in place value, the place value of digit we must write. For example, if the digit is placed in tens place, then we write the value of that digit with the name of its tenth place value. For example, let's see in 7623, if we find the place value of 7, then how we can write? We can write it as follows. As this digit represent to unit, this digit is represent to tens, this digit is represent in 100, and this digit is representing 1000. Unit means 1, tens means 10, 100 means 100, and 1000 means, of course, 1000. So when we find the place value of 7, we can write as 7 the digit itself into its place value. 7 in which place? See, 1000 place. So we multiply it with 1000. So we get the answer 7000. Okay. Similarly, if we find the place value of 2, place value of 2, then what we should do? First we have to write digit itself and multiply with its place value. 2 in which place? Unit, tens place. Tens means 10, so we multiply with 10 and we got the answer 20. I hope you got it very well. Place value is this, and what is its face value? Whenever the question asks find the face value of any digits, its digit itself is face value. For example, if we ask find the face value of 2, then the face value of 2 will be 2. It's remain the same. Face value never change, it remain the same. So which digit face value has asked, this digit is always remain the same. So if the question asked you write the face value of 2, then the answer will be 2. If the question asks write the face value of 8, then the face value of 8 will be 8. But when the question asked write the place value of 8, then we should what do? We should first write the digit, okay? Then we should see the digit 8 placed in which place. For example, in this example, the digit 8 is placed in 1000 place. So we multiply 8 with 1000 and that will be the answer of place value of 8. Okay, I hope you got it very well. After learning the following number system, now we are going to solve some question and answer. See, the question asked is write the following words in Indian number system. So before we are moving forward, first we have to write the digit in proper order. It means we have to put period symbol in this number so that we can easily identify which digit are in which place, and then we provide its word format. Okay, I hope you got it. Let's see. First we have to provide period symbol in Indian number system. It means first 3 digit, after first 3 digit we provide period symbol, then after 3 digit we provide period symbol. And if you remember the Indian place value chart, first digit represent to unit, second digit represent to tens, third digit represent to 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh. After placing the following letter in the proper place, now we can write the following number in word format. So how we can write? 4 in the place of lakh, so we write as 4 lakh 3 and 5 are in place of 1000, 10,000 and 1000. So we write as 35,000. 35,000. And the remaining number is 361. 361. 61. I hope you got the following information very easily. Okay, now we are going to next topic, and the topic name is expanded form. In expanded form, we expand the number according to its place value. Recall, you have already learned Indian place value and international place value. So if you remember the place value chart, it will not be difficult for you to expand any number in proper way. Let's see how we can do it. Here the number is given. First of all, we have to arrange the following number in proper format. That is, we have to put period symbol. Okay. Now, if you recall the Indian number system, you have already known that first digit is represented to unit digit, that is also called ones. Second digit represent to tens. Third digit is represent to 100. Fourth digit is represent to 1000. And the fifth digit represent to 10,000. If you learn the following place value chart, then it will be easy for you to expand any number in proper format. See, 8 is in which place? 10,000. So we write first digit 8 and its place value, that is 10,000. After writing the first digit, we add plus symbol. Okay. After adding the plus symbol, we write 0. Okay, here is some problems there. First, after mentioning the following digit with its place value, we have to solve the following question. Okay. As we know that 8 is in which place? 10,000 place. Okay. So we write first the digit itself, that is 8, and its place value, that is 10,000. After writing down the following digit, we place plus symbol and then write the next digit, that is 0, and its place value is 1000. Then we have to multiply it with 1000. Then after writing 0 digit, we put plus symbol. Then we see the next digit, that is 5. We write down its 5 and its place value is 100. So we multiply with 100. The next we add plus digit. After adding the plus digit, we see 4 in which place? 10th place. So here we write 4 and multiply with its place value, that is tens. Next is 3 and its place value is unit. Unit means 1. So we multiply with 1. Okay. If you add the following digit, it will changes into this form. That's why uh, that's why it is also when the question is given into this form, then the question will be asked, sort this number in proper number form. Then we have to simply multiply and add the following number, then we get the result back, this number. Let's see if we are going to get the result of this number or not. So this is your proper format of expanding. This is the proper format of expanding. Now we are going to see, after adding the following digit, we will get the original digit number or not. Okay, so let's multiply it. 8 into 10,000, it is called 80,000. When 0 multiply any number, it will become 0. 5 into 100, it will become 500. 4 into 10, it will become 40. And 3 into 1, it will become 3. When we add the following number, we will get 3, 4, 5, 0 and 8. You can see the resultant number is same as we expect. Now we are going to move another question which is very interesting. So please student, pay attention very well. In this question, the question asked us, how many 3-digit numbers can you form using digit 4, 0 and 7? इसका मतलब ये कह रहा है कि आप उन डिजिट का यूज़ करते हुए कितने 3 डिजिट के नंबर फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सो लेट वी सी हाउ वी कैन फॉर्म 3-digit नंबर विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉलोइंग डिजिट्स. First of all, write the digit which is given in the question, that is 407. And now we are going to make the following number. First choose the smallest number. In 3-digit number, the smallest number is 0, but we can't use 0, because if you use 0, then the digit will be short. That's mean if you use 0, 4, 7, then it not be 3-digit number. It's always count as 2-digit number. That's why we should not add 0 in front. Okay? So we use 4. Next is 0. Next is 7. Then again 4, 7, 0. Then we make 7, 0, 4, 7, 4, 0. So how many digits we can form with the help of 3-digit number? Only 4. Okay. And what are those numbers? 407, 470, 704 and 740. I hope you got it very well. Next term we are going to understand successor and predecessor. Successor means next term. Predecessor means previous term. For example, if the question asks you find the successor of 5, and in this example the question asks you find the predecessor of 7. So in successor, the next term comes after 5 is 6. So answer is 6. Whereas in predecessor, the previous term comes before 7 is 6. So here the answer will be 6. I hope you understand very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.